All right, so might have a bit of change of plans. I just got done cleaning a bunch of the parts and my personal belongings and stuff out of the Mazda. There was a guy that posted a car up for sale or trade for a mini truck, and I commented and I offered my truck as it sits, and that guy wasn't interested. But after that, I had my DMs just blowing up on Facebook. Tons of people wanting this truck and wanting a cash price on it and wanting to know what the deal was with it. So I had 2 or 3 guys that were really interested, and I've got one guy that he said that he could possibly be coming in the morning, and he said if not tomorrow, they might have to wait a couple of weeks till after deer season. So may or may not be gone tomorrow for cash. If that happens, I'm not really sure what the plan is from here, but like I said, I just got done cleaning a bunch of stuff out of the truck and parts and tools, things like that. And I've got the tailgate down so I can get to the air tank. I'm going to hook it up on Shop Air since it has an engine-driven compressor. There's no way to build air pressure right now. So we'll get it set up to where we can lift the truck up and down and get it on a trailer. He was talking about wanting to just set the motor back down in the truck to get it transported, and then we'd have to put the hood on as well. I'm still really indifferent about this. If it happens, I'm sure I'm going to miss this truck because I've been looking for this exact truck for quite a while before I picked this one up. But life's short. If it happens, we'll move on. We'll tinker with something else. I've got a few things on my mind that if it does sell that I would be interested in, be in the market for. So we'll just have to see what happens. It might possibly be gone tomorrow. It might be gone in a couple of weeks. It might stick around. We'll just have to play the waiting game and see what happens. But we'll keep you posted.